Morning, folks. I'm in the garage because I can't see too well, and once I go out in the sunlight, I'm going to be totally blind. Main reasons why I don't do videos because I don't have a camera. I'm holding my laptop, and we're going to go outside. Yes, the bandage is off. Tomorrow I go see my doctor and see how well my eye is. Now, I'm using my weak light. Oh, God. That's gonna really kill me. Let me flip this around. Okay. This is finishing off. And that's the flower of this type of plant. Okay, it's a relative of chrysanthemum. It came from Mexico. It's been breeding cycle. It goes from Mexico, Japan, the Philippines, and back to Mexico again. Right now, my other type of herb is growing well. This is a different one. Now, I do recommend people to check out rare seeds. Now, you see how nice these grew? The lettuce. Okay. And my parsley. Really good. Now, the bad thing right here is this right here was those damn canned seeds in the survival pack. Yeah, it's not growing at all. Okay, I got a few sprouts, but nothing. My regular seeds from the Rare Seed channel did really nice. My garlic's coming back in. I think that's garlic or green onions, I can't tell. And you kind of notice, if you look right here, this is my fourth crop of snow peas. It's slowly going to be dying out. Fourth crop of snow peas. See how nice they came out? My family keeps coming by and stealing all of them. See how nice they all turn out? And I'll be planting some more stuff in later. Oh God, I hate my nephews when they help me out. They steal all my food. But see how nice they came out? Fourth crop. So anyway, I can't see too well, so that's it for the garden for right now. I do have a bigger garden, but I learned from experience, never show your gardens or your prepping supplies. Had problems with people ripping me off and family ripping me off. So after that, I don't show nobody those two things. Now, a lot of people ask me questions. I'll answer them and try to help you out. And I know some other dirty facts about survival and prepping. And we'll get to that. All right? This is your old pal, Uncle Al. I'll catch you later.